Hello everyone, this is Charmaine, Chief Digital Marketing Officer at Sky Digital Agency. Today I'm going to share with you a tool within the Telegram app. So if you're a business owner or you have a channel, this is quite useful because you can start scheduling, especially in a busy day. Let's see how this works. Earlier, some of you asked how can we schedule messages or posts to Telegram. Okay, you can actually do it without involving any bots. Although there are some bots doing this, but actually you don't need to involve any bots because for now I'm going to schedule a post for 1 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to say that this message is scheduled for 1 p.m. And when I click send, I need to hold it, and once I hold it, this option called schedule message would pop up. Okay, all I need to do is click on schedule and I will just go for 1 p.m. okay, today, or I can do tomorrow, right? So I can do this as well. I'm going to do today, send at 1 p.m. Okay, this thing will pop up, but you need to just go back, and at 1 p.m. you will see that message that was scheduled. So this is a video for all of you, just in case you need to post or schedule in both groups and channel, it works.
I wanna make you shake, 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 shake.